Why is vapor honing a great investment?
Reason number one, vapor honing can save you time and money. This is because with vapor honing, you can combine your pre-cleaning with your blasting process, unlike sandblasting. This is because vapor honing has the inclusion of water and can actually clean those parts. And of course, this increases your efficiency.
Reason number two, the vapor honing process can get into harder reach areas and passageways, just like this image down here. If you would like to learn more about the clean by flow nature, visit our YouTube channel to learn more.
Reason number three, abrasives last longer in your vapor honing cabinet. This is because of the inclusion of water, and it actually acts as a barrier to protect your abrasive when it hits your part, unlike sandblasting, which just uses the sheer impact to strip your part.
Reason number four, vapor honing is safe on most surfaces, including metals, rubbers, plastic, glass. The possibilities are endless.
Reason number five, vapor honing doesn't emit dust or small abrasive particles into the air, keeping you and your team healthy. And it also means you don't have to wear one of these.
Reason number six, you can mix abrasives in our vapor honing machines, which combines the characteristics and increases efficiency.
Reason number seven, vapor honing will not warp or pit your parts.
Reason number eight, vapor honing will not impregnate abrasive into your parts, nor will it damage your sealing surfaces. And there you go, folks. And those are 8 reasons to answer the question,